drafting practice. It's geometric construction, in fact. Let's start with the hexagon profile and polar coordinate system. Let's keep it some at 636 and it should be 115 so that it will become 15 degrees. Okay, let's measure the angle between these two. It's 15 degrees, right? Okay. Now let's draw a normal to this line. Normal to this line. Okay. Right. Now we are going to create a circle of 22 mm dia. Okay. 22 mm dia. Sorry, it's a 42 mm dia. So in this software, it's accepting radius. Okay. Then we have to draw a normal or tangent line. To draw the tangent line, first we have to make an arc from this to this, and then again one more arc. Sorry, let's keep it same. This one, let's keep it 16 mm so that we can have a track, and this side also 16 mm. Okay, now let's bisect this line by taking this as a center point, something above the midpoint. Okay, 23. Let's keep it 23. Okay. Okay. And this one we have done a mistake. Okay, it's an arc above some. Okay, let's keep it 25 then. Okay, let's start from somewhere here to there, and then again with the 25 mm. 25 mm. Okay, let's cross it so that we can find out the midpoint. Okay, that midpoint is actually the normal at this point. Okay, let's draw this line to the intersection of these two lines. Okay, let's convert these lines as construction elements. Okay, now we have the radius of the hexagon at 22. Okay, sorry. Now we have to draw a line or rotate the line, and let's mirror these two also. These two mirrors with respect to that. Okay, we got all the intersection points. This point to this. Escape. And now let's draw an arc at 20. This is 25.40. Okay, 25.40. Let's draw it somewhere here, and same arc from this point, 25.4 somewhere here, and from there to 25.4. Okay. All right, let's check once again from here. Okay, now let's draw the lines from this to this intersection, from this to this intersection. Okay, from this to this intersection. Okay, from this intersection to this one. Okay, rest all our construction elements. Okay, what else? Okay, let's convert this as construction element. Let's delete the segments. Okay, let's try to give this dimension. Okay, this is okay. We have drawn the hexagon first. Okay, this hexagon. Okay, let's keep it somewhere. Okay, after that hexagon done, let's draw some parallel lines. This line means offset in this software at 75 mm. Okay, okay, let's make it simple. And there's 75 mm. Okay, at this intersection point we have a circle. Okay, of radius 19 mm. Okay, 19 mm. Okay, and let's offset one more time. This line is parallel to, okay, at 44 mm. Okay, and at the same time, let's do it one more time. This one at minus 140.5. Okay, and this one, let's keep it downward so that let's intersect. So we have taken this point, and here also one circle of radius 19 mm. Okay, radius 19 mm. Okay, we have drawn two circles. Okay, and here at the diameter of 88 means 44. Okay, let's keep it here. Now we have to draw the tangents. To draw tangent, we have to bisect this line. We have to find out the center point, midpoint of this line. So let's keep it 60 somewhere. Okay, 62. Oh, where it is gone. Escape. Let's draw an arc from this center point at 62. Okay, and let it go from somewhere here to there. Okay, and at the same radius 62, let's intersect. Okay, okay, let's keep these two our construction only, and draw an intersection line from this intersection point to the intersection point of this. Okay, and then this line is also a construction element. Okay, and this is actually midpoint of this segment, line segment. By okay, now it's an arc. Let's draw a circle of radius this one 44 minus 19. Okay, it's 25. And by taking this as a center point, this as a radius, let's intersect here. Okay, now we will, this is a construction circle, construction element, and let's draw a line which is passing through this intersection point. Okay, let's extend it all the way through. Okay, and let's draw a line from this to this. Okay, okay. Let's draw a line normal to this, normal to this. Okay, normal to this means, okay, whether it is normal or not. Let's check. Okay, it's normal. Okay, 90-degree line. And this line from this intersection point to this is the tangent line between these two circles. And the rest all are construction elements. Okay. And now the similar stuff. This one will go to the other side also. And similarly, we have to draw like that. Now it's done. And there is a one more circle that is 16 mm dia. So 8 mm radius. Okay. Here also one more red circle hole. Okay. Now we have to create a tangent curve and tangent curve, two tangent curves. Okay, let's draw. This one is 19 mm radius and the tangent curve to touch two circles is 38 mm radius. So let us plus those radiuses and draw an arc. And again from here it is 44 mm radius plus 38. Okay, and from these two are construction elements. From this central point, intersection point, let's draw an arc at 38. Okay, leave it. And from here it's 125. So 19 minus 125 minus 19 to find out the center. Okay, and here it's 125 minus 44. Okay, from this intersection point we have to draw an arc at a radius of 125. Okay, that will be tangent to both the circles. Now let's trim the unwanted segments. Okay, this one, this one, this one, here also. Okay, this one. Okay, unwanted. We don't need these curves, this portion of the curves. Okay, we have done. Okay, and another circle at 75 mm radius, 75 mm diameter. Okay, this is the design. Okay, that's it. We have done. This is wrong. It should be this. Okay, let's trim. Let's trim. Let's trim this out. Okay, and here also. That's it. We have done. And these two are construction elements. Okay, and let's start giving the dimensions. This is 19 mm radius. This is 19 mm radius, and this is okay. This is 16 mm diameter, and this one also, and this one is 75 mm diameter, and this one is 44 mm radius, and this one is 125 SQ. Okay, okay, and this one is 38 mm radius. Okay, 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 and what else? And the linear dimensions for location of these holes, position of these holes, as per the drawing. These two, this is 75 mm. Okay, okay, and from this to this, it is 44 mm. Okay, from this to this offset is 140. Rest all is done perfectly. That's all. We have learned the geometric constructions to create the mechanical design shape. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.